Hello guys, welcome back to one of the inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to factory reset HAYLOU GT1 wireless earbuds. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So there are going to be a few steps here that you need to do in order for you to reset your earbuds. So first is you want to put the earbuds both back into the charging case. So just put them back into your charging case. Now also make sure the charging case has enough power. So this one is really essential for the reset process. Now, while the earbuds are in the charging case, you want to press and hold the MFB or multifunction buttons on both the earbuds for about 10 seconds. So just to give you an idea, this is what the buttons would actually look like. So usually it's going to be at the back of the earbuds. Now keep holding until you see the lights flash red and white alternately 3 times. Then turn off. Then this actually confirms the reset is complete. Now on your phone, you can go and go to your Bluetooth settings, delete the previous connection for your HAYLOU GT1 earbuds from the paired device list. Then from then on, reset it again, reconnect it, and from then you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.